असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Hello everyone. In this video I am going to solve exercise 2.5 problem number 7. Look at the question. Evaluate the following by using suitable identities. So we have to evaluate these values by using the identities, okay, not to go for usual multiplication. We use the identities here, right? So I am going to solve here third one and fourth one, okay. So these two I am giving you homework. Let us try for problem number 3. So what is the question? 998 whole cube, okay. So this 998 whole cube, 998 we can write 1000 minus 2 whole cube, okay. 1000 minus nothing but again 998, okay. Can you write like that? Yes, we can write. So we have an identity, x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, okay. Or we can write this in another form also, x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y minus plus 3xy square, okay. We can write in two ways, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y, x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, okay, right. Now we have x is equals to 1000 and y equals to 2, okay. Replace x and y values with 1000 and 2, okay, right, in this identity. So 1000 minus 2 whole cube is equals to, so I am taking this 1000 whole cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into x. X is nothing but 1000 and y is nothing but 2 and x 1000 minus 2, okay, right. So 1000 minus 2 whole cube is equals to 1000 whole cube, we can write 1000 into 1000 into 1000 minus 2 cube, we can write 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 3 6 into 1000 6000 and 1000 minus 2 nothing but 998. Is it clear? Yes. Next, this product becomes 1 3 zeros 3 zeros 3 zeros, total 9. This is very, okay, this is very simple to multiply. And minus 2 into 2 into 2, it becomes 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 minus 6 into 1000 6000 into 998, okay. I am taking the multiplication here, 998 into 6 first, okay, then after we add the zeros for that product. 6 into 8 48, 4 carry, 6 9 54, 58, 5 carry, 6 9 54, 5 59, okay. So 5988. So if we multiply with 6000, we get the 3 zeros again extra, okay. Now what is the answer? So 9 zeros minus 8 minus 5988 000, okay. So first of all I have done a multiplication with 998 into 6, then after I have taken 3 zeros. Okay, right. Now we have to add these, we have to add both these because they are having same sign, minus 1 2 3. Okay, right. Minus 598800. Okay, now we have to take the subtraction between these two. So I am taking here 000 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 letters. So 8008895. So 5988008123. Okay, right. So take subtraction here, borrow from here. Okay, so it becomes 10 minus 8, it is 2, and 9 minus 0, 9, here 9 remains, here also 9 remains. Okay, and here it is 9 minus 8, it is 1, here also 1, and 9 minus 9, here it is 9, 9 minus 9, it is 0, here also 9 minus 5, it is 4, and here 9 remains, the 9 remains, this is 0. Okay, now this is the final answer. 994011992 is the final answer of 998 whole cube. Okay, pause the video, write the notes. Okay, next we go for problem number 4. Next problem number 4, 1001 whole cube. Okay, this we can write 1000 plus 1 whole cube. Okay, and what is the identity we have to use here? We have x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. Okay, we can use any one. Okay, right, both are same. So I am taking this first one. So x we have 1000 and y we have 1. Okay, so replace the values. 1000 plus 1 whole cube is equals to 1000 cube plus y is nothing but 1 cube plus 3 into x value 1000, in place of y 1, and x 1000 plus y value 1. Is it clear? So look at one more, once again. X cube 1000 cube plus y nothing but 1 cube plus 3 into x 1000 into y into x 1000 plus 1. Okay, right. So 1000 we can write 1000 into 1000 plus 1 cube nothing but 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 3 into 1000, and this becomes 1001 as it is. Okay, right. So this becomes 9 zeros. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, right, plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1000 3000, and we have 1001 here. Okay, this is the product we have to find first. So 1001 with, take 3 first, 3 1s are 3 0 0 1. Okay, sorry, 3. Okay, and we have 3000 here. So take 3 zeros here and 3 zeros. Okay, so it becomes, did you got this product? 1001 into 3000 nothing but this. Okay, right. Plus 1 plus 300, 3000. Now we have to add these three things. So take here, I'm taking the addition here. Next one, 7 digits. 3,301 here. Is it clear? Right. So it is 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3, and 0, 0, 1. Shall check once again. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 1. Okay. Right. Now here it is 1003, 003, 001 is the 1001 cube. Okay, this is the final answer. Right.